Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines. Today, we're looking at the FADSK portable washing machine and the GrinChat portable washing machine. Both models are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for apartments, dorms, and travel. Let's dive into their features, performance, and design to see which one stands out. The FADSK portable washing machine comes equipped with a spin-dry basket, allowing for efficient drying after washings. In contrast, the GrinChat model does not include this feature, which may be a crucial factor for users looking to minimize drying time. Both machines offer a 15L capacity and 3 cleaning modes, but the spin-dry capability sets the FADSK apart. When it comes to design, both machines are compact and foldable, making them easy to store. The FADSK PEAJ model features push-button controls, while the GrinChat offers a touch interface for a more modern feel. The FADSK K-Gauge is slightly heavier, but both are designed for portability, making them ideal for travel and small living spaces. Both washing machines are designed for ease of use, with multiple cleaning modes available. The FADSK Nagi's push-button controls are straightforward, while the GrinChat's touch controls provide a sleek interface. Users will appreciate the simplicity of operation in both models, making laundry day a breeze. In conclusion, both the FADSK PEAJ and GrinChat portable washing machines offer unique features that cater to different needs. If you prioritize drying efficiency, the FADSK PEAJ is the way to go. However, if you prefer a lightweight design with easy controls, the GrinChat might be your best choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.